The comedy video you're about to watch is a very hilarious one, and please go grab a popcorn. Tonight is going to be shaky. Alright guys, without further ado, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on post notification bell icon. Let's quickly dive into this comedy video. Let's go. Help me. Look at this one. The pass already been cheese, man. How do you get it? This one is just I bless you what? Sprite.
Mama.
Like this challenge has been going on.
Oh my God!
Since that guy don't know. Security code.
Oh shit, not good.
Are you happy to run?
Get it? You don't get it, forget about it. That was too much.
For you. Welcome, sir. Just wait, now buy this one finish. I go buy your own.
You need to hear the way he's shouting.
Do you know you can win an iPhone 15 Pro Max on 1xBet? Yes, you can. Register on 1xBet with my promo code RAP and get 300% bonus on your first deposit. Press the take that button on the upper page.
You need to hear the way he's shouting jeez, as if someone wants to kidnap him or more.
Okay, I don't they call your line since you know great people. Take your package.
If you just send me carry and come inside.
What's going on here?
May I help you carry go inside?
Yes.
What? Wait, come first.
Let's have it.
Oh! You know, gang. You want talk now? That means now God and work.
Are you?
You know, say normally, make I check whether poison there inside.
What did they try to do?
No worry, nothing. Man, relax, man. I don't think since morning. Something the time me say, check and I say no. I'm not knowing say na nature the pity.
So this is what
make I check am small. No worry.
Don't
say
tell
no go
me.
vex.
No.
No worry. Calm down. You no go fit beat me now. What you want carry beat me? Me I get hand work, and they say why you dey work now? There you go chop. You will be say you no get hand to work. Why you want see food chop?
Using his
No worry, just wait small. I be you want beat me. A small thing I for chop knuckle, chop knuckle. Make
I can't chop no.
No worry, now only as you dey like this, now only shoulder feeling now. You understand? At least you get shoulder.
This is wickedness.
You get body.
Wickedness.
I chop this one. Yeah, you no be like that. We get chop. You dey delay.
You get that starting.
Why you dey delay for this kind of thing?
Come on for my body on top of my order.
Oh yeah, beat me now. Oga beat me. You don't feel below me.
You know what? My papa na soldier, and I go call him, Daddy.
No, wait. Come. Oh yeah, hold on like that. You know, quick talk now.
This guy is a delivery man. He loves eating people's food. Well, let's see this one, God. Now the code.
Okay, let me first see this morning.
No carry me play.
Now me first see this morning. What? Jesus! Jesus!
The Lord has done it. Finally.
You get it?
I said.
God has done it finally. Look at the smile from me. Like today, God has buttered. My bread has been buttered today.
Bread. Like, don't do that in your mind, I beg. Tamper Messi with justice. Sorry, justice is Messi.
The Lord has done it.
What a wicked friend. You should have considered your friend. He drank the Pepsi with no party. This hand has been reduced to die. This man has been trying to kill his hand. All his teeth. What? Let's see what the answer is this time around.
I go come back. You and your family get mind, eat my bread. Step 1, fetch some water. Step 2, locate the closest ant hill. Step 3, never let no ant escape.
Just because you want to destroy an ant hill.
Mission accomplished.
And you think you can sleep with this? Let's see how it's going to
One hot
end, guys.
afternoon,
This one
I was
is
just at
actually
home
hilarious.
enjoying my nap, and guess what? He attacked. His name is Akanemo. He is the strongest juju ant to ever exist. He is the emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion. They reduced me to their size, placed me on an ant skateboard, and I was accompanied by several ants.
Oh, it's going though, it's going. His wife will not even know that he's leaving the house because it will be so little. Very little.
Silence. Finally, we got a human kid.
Preview.
I can't wait to have him all for myself.
This is the ant.
Young human. You have been subjected to crimes against the ant colony, and you will pay dearly for it. Yes, he destroys our homes.
They brought into their garden.
He uses his paper gun on our pregnant women.
They hate to see us alive.
He doesn't let us eat the little crumbles from the table.
They are as wicked as their politicians.
Yo, Papa.
They kill us for eating their crumbles. We don't even go close to their main dish. We might look small and harmless, but if we unite, we'll bring down the evil organization. You must not kill ants. You must let us invade your provisions like bread, milk, milk. In fact, all provisions. You must leave your fridge open at all times. What? Especially when you open new juice. All dirty plates must be left overnight and not washed immediately. From now on, we're part of your family, your brother, your soulmates, your teachers, your lovers, your pastors. But come to think of it, what do you think if we both make babies? Yes, Queen Mother! Shake that red soft booty on him, baby!
How did they tie him? That is the question I'm trying to ask. Like, how? How come?
Okay, I'm glad you are home because there's a lot of.
Please allow her to speak. Can't you speak?
I can't, ma.
Good, speak.
Is my boyfriend though. He's been giving me excuses upon excuses that he can't send money from the US. So I came to
Islander. Well, my sister, as big as you are, you don't know that they can use Nala to send money from US, UK, or anywhere in Europe.
Nala.
Tell him to use Nala. Nala. You should go and use it and send money to you. He can send money from anywhere, US, UK, anywhere, Europe, and he'll get it instantly, and their rates are good. Anything else, young lady?
No.
Stand up now, Kima Wopa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you to you too. Take your stars, cause I'm not in the mood. You don't have Shemokule. I was just telling her what.
That slap will ring a bell in his memory, I swear.
Welcome to my house.
When will you stop slapping people?
Alright? Let me get something off there.
For Tauma to visit us. It's very bad though.
Ojuku, what are you doing with my PS5?
Popo, the deeper life, are you see your man? How did they sing it here?
Oh, the challenge.
Hello, Oga. You see that there? This man thought saying only 300k go fit pay for that PS5.
Hey! Somebody's PS5?
That's why I enter here.
Solo.
You will remain there. You will sleep there. You will eat there. Without labor.
Aja 500. That
guy over there. Just came to somebody's house and you saw PS5. You want to nyan.
Aja 500. Aja 500. Yeah, no. I bet because that when they say drink, I won't buy drink. After mama amala, they won't buy drink.
Which one?
I won't buy Predator.
Predator for energy.
Well, give me change.
Chama, no can get change now.
So now what I go do like this?
I be make collect another thing join them.
Are you whining yourself?
Jeff, I bless you. How this one they go? Come in, don't tire. I'm going shop fast, man.
Your wait small now, I go so full. Your wait small, you fool.
Now go find change.
Madam, who give the conductor one predator now? Since you don't tire. I think I'm go shop fast. They tell me say me they give predator. I test now my problem down. Chairman, energy drink. If you drink, I will give energy. Aje.
Bros. Thank you, bros. So.
Okay now.
Toilet. I'm taking predator.
Alpha driver. If you say we don't waste more for this side, we'll make the bus your fault before we move.
Now you are talking your mommy.
Aja.
You don't know.
You know how quick my family dey come up for you. Sharp, Aja. Seven day with your change, oh. Aja. Sharp.
This one don't magic for you. I decided to wait for the motor to full. Going. I don't know how this comment is going to go like that, but let's watch and see how it's going to go. It's actually teach a lot, like
sharp,
and also explain a lot how some people can be so greedy, like greedy, not greedy, ungrateful.
Yeah, no.
Wow, ungrateful.
You never pay me. I don't get cash again. I know that's fine. I don't get cash again. Give me money, mark more for you, and I'll tell you to go. Chama, I say no money dey man dey give. Are you still tell me to play for you? Chama, you saw wetin? This energy wey you carry me so Aje na me give you.
Now where people go dey help people?
I be like na true. I want a small remain for buy the finger wey feed you. Aje. So who dey talk now for buy my house now?
That's what they do.
Don't try to buy the finger that feeds you. It's very bad though. It's very, very bad. Not to buy the finger. But is it proper for you to ask? Talk less the money.
Una no go believe. Say na my pikin Bosco be this. Okay, make I tell una wetin happen. Na me and Bosco dey come back from market. We dey come back from market this afternoon. Now we see 200 naira for grand. I say Bosco no pick the money. Bosco no pick the money. Before I go no, Bosco don rush go pick 200 naira. That's so Bosco turn to goat. Bosco turn to goat. I can't say okay. Instead of going to leave my pikin, now I find up tire mo. Make I kukuma carry Bosco go house.
Very bad, I'm pity for him. Oh, Bosco is gone. How's it going to
Mommy,
be now?
I greet you. Mommy, you're the boy, don't take. God. Eh? For the past how many days now, I never see common thing put for this my mouth. Hungry won't kill me. Eh? God. You sure say I no go chop Bosco? Anywhere money day, anywhere sayo day.
He actually buy that guy. He actually buy his son, no, like the goat. He's eating the goat.
Bosco, I know say you know feel sweet.
This Bosco. How will I'm expecting that. Let's see. I am Moz. I think this comedy is actually going to teach you a lesson. Never to go.
Hey! This man!
So you guys are going to rob and you waited to drink a report. Kind of after that.
Okay.
Hey!
Why did he get up? What happened? No.
My brother, I won't begin to save for rainy days. I don't tire to spend money for all these girls.
Fred, now you are no one save for rainy days.
Of course, now me now. I will call your account number. You see this money why I won't send give you. Even if I call you, no give me this money. We call your account number.
0056.
I beg you, my cross you call me.
Hi Fred.
Yes, how are you?
Are you free today?
Of course, I'm available.
Then let's go and see you.
Okay. I will call you shortly and give you the hotel address.
Alright, just send your address.
Alright.
Fred,
You know save again. My brother, now the rainy days be this, what will they talk about with this?
You no go ever change. You no go ever change. This man.
Hi, babe.
Hi.
What? Only sent the hotel address to Fred.
I thought you wanted to actually like.
Oh, Fred. I also went to call a friend of mine that is getting Fred. I'm so sorry. It was a mistake.
Ah! It's baby. See you baby.
Charlie boy, I am too much. You think say they wise?
What for you are now? What is that? And then Lisa, what is doing?
This business, I tell you so. Now one car school for these trenches. Guys, see that into dangerous. See this guy, dangerous kid. Papa, see, we go make mad money. Everything's already there for you. This my brother asked for you like this. What you going to go do that? To go carry him, go distribute him. You don't begin to make money. We go rent and that. See, never tire you.
Guy, you sure that thing dangerous, so?
Papa, forget dangerous.
But this guy is short. I don't know who's your value. Very small.
Tonight. To do JLK each. Everybody.
Calm down, wait first. What's happening again? Bro, you sure about this thing? You do the fear. See my brother, don't come. You ask him this one, I tell you so. Abiola.
What will happen will shock everybody. Everybody is like.
She's not with a man, too.
Oh, fire. Oh, fire. Now, go.
Wetin be this? Wetin be this? Jesus.
Hey.
What happened?
Ebenezer. Hey. My brother, like, I know something big wrong. I don't need to have this place.
Again?
What's
coming out from that direction is high.
Something the funny. I don't know what's in the funny. I mean,
Uncolors. Everybody don't face, including me. Everybody don't mad.
Who should they follow talk?
I don't know.
Listen, calm down. Guys, what you doing? I'm going to run go ask. Come on,
stop it.
Guys, what you doing? Us. What's happening?
Run, no.
Everybody laugh for 2 hours now. You know you understand.
2 hours now they laugh. Why? Why everybody laugh?
I don't understand.
What do you smoke? What do you that smoke when they come? What do you smell?
That bag of grass I keep for them. I go burn now.
Hey, you say what thing?
That bag of grass I put for them. I go burn now.
Burn the bag of grass. Bag of grass I put for you. Burn now.
Please.
Who got no bond?
You had the best of me. You went in wrong.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
She might tell me they always clean this swimming pool for me. Why they not clean this swimming pool?
Hey!
Sinitoka!
What concerns the talker outside this
one? Minister could think now, say I know this serious. As a family man, you must settle issue before you come go.
Papa Buki.
Papa Buki. You are a bishop this time. And your wife is sitting here and there. What kind of man are you? A prophet with anger issue, you are the bishop. Give your wife money for you will not be a malam.
No? Yeah, brother mine. If I don't come church, now my wife and it's stressful. If I don't come church, and the way the things they go now, not just I go fit come again. Mona continue the ministry. Once they finish with Sunday school, tell brother Victor make you preach. You know, tell brother Victor. Yeah, you are the makeup. Tell brother Victor make you preach. You stress me.
You don't go anywhere.
I'll call you back.
Let's get we have your time now. You see.
What do you got? This marriage will end. I mean to tell you. This marriage will end. I swear to God. If I say you stress me, this man. All the anointing within my body, you the kid the anointing. Now, you don't know say you the kid the anointing.
Anything.
A man of God don't need stress. You the yes. As a man of God, don't need stress.
They're always spoiling.
You disturb me for house. I respect myself. I leave you. I dey go church. You go block me for front. You not saying a devil they use you so. Make we reach us today. The marriage will end. Marriage will they tell you. No problem. I define attention.
It's going to end, though, I swear.
Me define attention.
So
You are
what you say I
disrespecting me.
buy
You say define attention. No problem. Your mind the test have small people. If you don't know, go and check my death certificate. I'm going to 40 years. Respect yourself. No problem.
You really do not
They
know
disrespect me.
anything,
They
I
forget the kind of power I get. As a prophet. You are playing with a prophet. No problem. I know what decree. If I decree, that's the end of it. God have mercy upon us.
SK is one crazy colo man I've ever seen.
Okay, never. You for tell me say you no get in before you carry me. Ma give you 100 now, ma collect my 200 now. Nonsense. My phone, oh. Phone, can. I will calm down now.
better one chance.
Don't talk to me like that. Are you stupid? Okay, never. If I don't see my phone for inside this bus, what happened for 1964? What happened in 1964? What happened? We say I later go out empty-handed. Oh, shut up! Everybody, get a back. Everybody. If you run,
what just happened?
Body down. You move. Boss. Alpha.
This. I'm the Williams family.
I go observe ground. Make I no go keep better person. Make I check them well.
Confirm.
Who are you? What's your name? I'm the person of the popular Mr. Williams. Hello, Mama Peggy.
Why you there when they shoot gun like this?
No, ask me where I did, where did they shoot. So go back up the toilet. You go see one ATM for there. Pick am. Now money I borrow for Lapo, what take the wheel. Now he dey inside. Waiting be on it.
Bro, my name is
It's going to be one.
I beg, take your friendliness for me. Don't send that boy go school. Just wanna buy food stuff for us more than they chop. You get
everybody one after the other.
Boss. Asala don boss.
I dey come make am obtain this guy.
Ah!
Boss, na my phone be that now.
Ah!
Shall they call the phone?
No. Boss, leave him. Finish him. You know they call people. Wetin go kill this man? Don't kill him already.
You. What's be your name? Kokoma prideless. You get luck, say you don't get pride. I for buy your pocket.
Have mercy and justice.
Oh wait. So for la. Bring that come. Put down for my head.
Because it's finished.
Why you won't die?
Do it.
You don't die. Now in there they celebrate.
You already
finished. Prideless. They celebrate me. When are they alive?
Look at.
Appreciate me.
Are they alive? Enjoy your life. Maybe the man was too stingy, so God used this opportunity to bless this woman. Wait, crazy man, this guy.
I agree to.
Hey, where do you think you're going to?
We don't be house party. Why do they speak English or house party? They speak English or house party.
I said, where do you think you're going to?
Now me they deliver all those BF consists from road, far, so I don't deliver all those.
Thank you so much for your services. Now go back.
Don't be here now. Me, no, me don't come.
You're not allowed here. Go back.
I be personals.
What do you mean by personals?
Personal BF now carry come just now.
BF.
So I don't deliver all that.
Any girl who comes in here does not go back. Go back.
When my baby's here.
Come on, they go.
Don't tell me.
Who are you calling?
Now my BF be that too.
Hey, do you know you?
No, I don't know him.
BF, you see personals. You say enjoyment. You
Go back to your duty post. Have you forgotten who you are?
Don't forget me.
DG now.
What happened to the S at the back?
Which be S?
Bad guy security. Take your clothes. Now go back.
I'm going to
go back.
This party go spoil. Officer Cricket.
Okay.
You that is a security man, you are calling me Officer Cricket.
Respect yourself, fool.
I get coconut head.
Oluwa, I want pass this exam. Oh God, I want to pass this exam. Let me pass it, please, Lord. I don't know anything. I get coconut head.
Excuse me, extra shit.
Everybody asking for shit like kilo day. And this one no go with me.
As I read, I pray, bless me with good results.
Oh God. That's going to pass this. Let's see if miraj is right. Just in black as you used to say. Life is shitty.
You know this boy did not write anything. Nothing. Empty script. How can someone enter an exam hall empty?
Jesus.
With empty brain. Like you just dressed up, come into an exam hall without nothing. Look at him.
Brain box. Who get this course?
Sir Patrick.
Sir Patrick.
Fear my return. God who made me.
Kana yo, son.
Guys, chemistry result is out.
How many results?
3.
Excuse me, please.
Confirm. How?
Go and ask your grandfather.
Excuse me.
Another A.
Confirm.
2.
Move. Excuse me, move.
Let's see the next. Look how this I too know. 3A. Play.
My boy.
Much respect, sir.
You are doing well.
Thank you very much, sir.
Sir Patrick. How did you do it?
First class.
Sir? I'm not supposed to fail your course, sir, because I know what I wrote, sir. I demanded for extra sheet and I paid the course.
First class not be who collect extra sheet. Life is simple.
Hi, my name is Oban.
Life is simple.
May I tell you the most
But you know your way is full fast. Honestly, you everybody enter down all the parts.
You're rich, you're young, you're handsome. But guess what? There is something that supersedes all of that.
Let's have it.
May I tell you?
Let's have it.
Urban exchange.
It is in our play.
Call him back. Who do you think you are?
Oh God, man!
Okay.
Look, I am not interested. Yes! You never said anything.
So, Oga, they whine me.
Move that body.
With that one, and they call you the cut call.
You there, man?
Oh, girl, you know they keep pressing. A person keep pressing.
You did not even allow me to explain to you that they have the best rate. And you can contact them on Instagram at Trading Urban.
What type of plane is
Contact
this?
them on WhatsApp and do your trade on the numbers below.
Look, I have told you, I am not interested.
Just tell me why. Why?
Because I trade with them already. Look, I know that Urban Exchange is the best trading platform.
And that's shouting at me.
I'm sorry for all of you. I wasn't shouting at you.
That's what I do for you.
Like being romantic. I haven't slept with any woman before. I am purely virgin.
Melody time, melody. All this
Hello, beautiful ladies.
See how they play.
What are you guys doing under this hot Scottish sun?
Hey! You're walking down the road.
Wow. I hope you don't mind if I drop you guys off. I mean, this sun is crazy.
Sure.
You guys can come in now.
Are you serious?
Someone decided to give you a lift, though.
I'm sorry. I have my laptop.
As a good man he is.
Oh.
You people begin to form automatically big man, big women, I mean. Let's see where it will land.
So hard for this money. Let's have fun, baby. Come on, Life is good, darling. Where do you want to go to? Driver.
Wait a minute.
Who is your driver? My friend, you guys should get out from my car. Nonsense.
All these people will go buy tender 40 naira. They come online.
So why you call them not driver? No, why you vex now? Also, with them back seat now. I can't imagine saying, "Now we get the car."
Share you the man.
Food point, I don't tire out.
That's how they are. You go to the house, you see them sitting on ordinary bed floor. But when they sit on boys, they'll be the first to say, I don't like those boys. I like rich guys. Let's see this one from Mr. Guy.
Jody, you make me emotional. Burst in my medulla.
It will teach you a lesson. Now, everyone should learn at least. Stop crushing on girls deeply. That's
So
your
they look
knowledge.
Angela like this. What's up?
Guy, you know say I dey crush on this girl. I like this girl. I want this girl.
You like her? No, you know if you go for and talk.
You don't want.
They look man.
Guy, wait, see. Don't go away. Don't say man.
Because of love, bro, you want to do this. And it's
So now
not
they
part
can
of it.
Do something, Jare.
The girl didn't notice him. Look at. He's just doing the.
Please, did anyone see my phone?
Your phone?
Please, Nejo, can you help me call my line?
Your head is flying. He's just thinking now, we are getting married, we are playing love, doing honeymoon, everything with somebody that just touched you like this. Don't even know if she has any feeling for you. You.
I hope that you don't step far from
Jesus.
Nature.
Nature. Oh, sorry. Oh, I'm not too much.
That's what this is, I mean, my crush.
Oh, your phone is here.
Hold up.
Nature, Mark. Let me are wasting all your energy, crushing on. You see your life? Woo! This is so sad. This is the worst embarrassment any man can ever encounter. I swear. You will just be so so I will brush my teeth with sand and sponge if I was to work. Matt must clean. Operation Matt must clean.
Who's it now?
Baby, I'm bored.
You're bored at this point. Can't you say I'm busy?
Let's play a game. Please.
Let's play. Your wallet is too much. You go first.
I dare you to send me 50,000 naira.
Hey! Why you no kuku don carry gun? Just put am for my head to make
You
I
know
send the
it's
money.
there. You have to do it though.
Saint.
Oh, baby, I love you. Okay, your turn, baby.
Yes, I'm on it.
I dare you to show me your Snapchat eyes only.
Why are you doing this?
What happened?
Baby, do you think it's necessary?
Eh? I sent you money now. You don't think it's necessary, Abby? Okay, bring your phone, Joe. Let me check. Jesus! Jesus! This is what you are mad. In fact, I'm not playing game again. I'm not playing game.
Thank God I have your backup.
Hello guys, I want you guys to click the link on my bio, register and use the promo code AYO300. If you deposit on Friday, you stand a chance to win €150. There are plenty of hot EPL matches. Just play, make you the cash out. Where?
What did I just watch, guys? Oh my gosh. Please, I can't stop laughing. Let's see this one from Stan the Love. Yeah. Somebody's
Me
scared.
my woman they walk.
Oh,
They
man.
call her pretty. What's up? Relax, bro. You they call me bro, and you want to take my woman. Is that what brothers do? Nonsense.
It is smoky, bro.
What can I do to have this fine babe? Come on for that. But I guess you also. Jesus!
Jesus.
Behave yourself.
Get horse. Correct horse. Sure banker. He go play. He go play. How many
You get there.
500 horse.
Let's be poor. Breathe.
No, babe. Go and sit in his car.
This man.
Go and sit in his car.
Really? So you're exchanging me with Sporty Bed? Like seriously, babe?
No, baby. Barter trading. Understand?
Barter trading? One must surely cut time.
Rufus.
Chairman, well done.
Well done, my brother.
Hey, bros, I beg. I dey find 2K. I don't know that if he help me.
For this Buhari, I mean,
Where you lost am? My brother, if you search me, oh. You know they had it now, and I go begin accuse me now. Say I thief your 2K. See me, oh. I know thief 2K where you dey find, oh. See, search me, oh. Where you dey go now? Come search me now so that you go dey sure. Huh? But if you go check for front, this side is the hardly lost here. Oh. I'm not sure say anybody see that 2K where you dey find.
I'm just speechless, I swear.
You no go fit chop am. Yeah, I say you dey learn work. You dey learn work.
Someone begging money, they tell us they no see.
Yeah, you don't dey learn work. You don't chop before and pap before.
What's going on here?
Aba, you don't chop semo and Sprite. Semo and Sprite? You never work, okay? See my belly, see my belly. Rubbish what I chop, eh? Now I make my belly like this. You see am? You see am? If I pollute here, you go run. Tired, you want to learn work. Man, mess here now whether I no go run. I go mess here out.
They have seen what passed there. The both of them are learners. Have you eaten iPo and bread?
Wow. Senior man.
I hate you.
I hate you.
Why you think you are the best and people are better than you? So be calming down, yeah? Be calming down.
See, babe, calm down. It's normal. That's why the towel is there. Eh? Help me, let's get this stuff from the boot.
Wait. Don't tell me you took all these things too from the hotel.
It's normal now. That's why they are there.
Shy.
You just carry this one, let me carry this one.
Even the hotel TV?
That's what they do for you. Hey!
That's why the TV is there.
Really, nigga?
Okay, you don't want to help me.
That friend that used to steal from hotel.
What's it
That's
that?
some
Is this
people.
what they clean up from the
If
hotel?
they go to hotel,
This TV have you. No worry, let her tip you. Oh yeah, I know one bad guys.
Daddy, you took the cleaner from the hotel? What kind of a person are you?
That's just the cleaner. You are shouting. What will you now say about this?
He stole the unimaginable. Oh my God.
Daddy, you took the hotel from the hotel?
Put your voice down. That's just one part of the hotel.
Jesus!
You just wait here. Let me look for people to help you bring the hotel inside.
Shy.
Can you imagine? Look at this.
The guy stole the hotel from the hotel. Even the hotel itself. What a nice comedy.
Close that door, we need to discuss.
Eddie.
I don't understand. How would a female neighbor say good afternoon and you look into her eyes and you tell her, good afternoon too. How are you doing?
Really,
what kind of rubbish is that?
I'm not following for that rubbish afternoon. Not me and you.
Me, I don't get time for this thing. Ramping, problem, wahala, I don't have time.
I enjoy it.
Yeah.
Delicious, delicious.
So you really enjoy?
What?
Enjoy this food?
Wait, now bitter leaf,
I say
pepper
you really
soup,
like this
indomie.
food.
Yes, I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it.
Mày à,你要中性嘅聲，擘下燈啦，上次。就係唔要貴咯，然後得啦。攞兩個300銀啊。
I like it. I like it.
嗱呢個嚟㗎。
I like it.
你平時你下次嘅，都要抄。
No go kill me if I like this food where they eat.
Alright guys, we thank you for watching this comedy and I hope you got what you were looking for in this channel. Because as for me, I really enjoy the comedy. Every single bit of it is actually hilarious and I believe you've subscribed. And as for those of you who have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification bell icon. And also don't forget to share this video to all your social media platforms. And also don't forget to like this video. You know, make sure you turn on post notification bell icon because on this channel we'll be doing some giveaway. And there is one guy who said I am not giving out what I promised on my giveaway. I think that guy is getting it all wrong. Honestly, he's getting it all wrong. Someone said in the comments that I used to promise recharge card whenever I want to do giveaway, but I don't give them out. He said he won. I didn't give him his present or something. But the guy was missing something out. The guy is actually getting it all wrong because when he won, I was the one who even commented and told him that he has won this giveaway. I even asked him in the comments to send his phone number so that I can recharge in his 1,000 naira airtime, you know. But this guy never replied my comment. He never replied my comment. Then 2 days passed, and before I could know, I saw a pop-up message on my screen, and I checked it. It was this same guy saying that I do scam my subscribers. I never give them what they win or anything like that. Meanwhile, he is the one actually, getting it all wrong. So don't be like this guy. Whenever I announce any giveaway and you win it, always try to check your comment. If it is a giveaway that I will be asking you your details through the comment section, always check your comment. Sometimes I might ask you to send me your number on my Instagram or my Twitter handle. Sometimes I will just write you directly on the comment section and tell you that you win, something like that. So you just have to, all I'm trying to say is that try to check your comment. Try to check your message whenever you comment on any Facebook video, on any YouTube video, especially mine. Try to check the reply. You don't just comment and off your phone throw it in the air. No, you don't do that. So that is for that. I'll give another giveaway is coming up soon. You should get ready for it. And on this giveaway, I think I'll be going on live. Calling some of my subscribers, giving them recharge card, 1,000 naira recharge card. I will do that, but before I do that, I will let you guys know. I will give you the time, and I will tell you the date, the time, the hours, everything, so that you'll be aware. So you might be lucky to be a beneficiary of it. All right, guys, what is your favorite moment in this comedy video? As you can see, I'm actually stressed out. I just said to myself that I must react to this comedy tonight. I must give you guys this comedy so that go use and play all side. The country is actually not funny. The things happening in this country is actually not funny. I think it's getting out of hand. I mean, inflation, we're actually suffering in this country. I mean, I know a lot of people are actually facing so much difficulties, hardship, and it's because of the high rate of high cost of goods and services in the country. So I'm giving you this comedy for you guys to use it to all body. You don't understand? So just narrate or comment what you feel like in the comment. What triggered you most? We seen triggered you most. All the comedy actually was a hit, and I think it's actually going to make you laugh. And also, don't forget to subscribe once again, because I'm going to be calling it a day right now. And our next comedy is going to be another hot banger. So stay tuned for Crity React. Have a wonderful time. I'm rolling out right now. Peace out.